driving a 2014 981 Porsche Cayman. This is the base model. We've got these funky shifter buttons on the steering wheel. We're in sport mode. We are at M1 Concours in Pontiac, Michigan, and this is part of their M1 Performance fleet that customers can come and drive. Left and automatic, this is doing a pretty darn good job. It's so balanced, so poised. Honestly, one of the best learning tools, besides something like a Miata or a BRZ. That it still has a flat 6. This is pre-718 before they got rid of it and put a Boxer turbocharged 4-cylinder in here. And although it is not fast, it makes a good noise. It handles so well. Let it rev out. Lots of good steering feel, communication. We're on a set of Continental Extreme Contact Sports, or DWs, or something along those lines. Love the steering weight. Even the base model, Porsche did such a nice job with these Caymans. They're so easy and satisfying to drive. And all the handling prowess is here. Maybe with a little bit less tire mechanical grip from the Cayman S. Temperatures are staying nice and cool. Let's try it in manual mode just a little bit. This PDK is wonderfully responsive. Prices on these are pretty affordable these days too. I would probably swing for the 6-speed manual, but as a track vehicle that anyone can drive, coming here to M1 Concours, this is probably the perfect option. Thrown off by these paddle shifters sometimes. It's not an intuitive thing that I'm used to. It's in to upshift and back to downshift. You can also use the shifter down here. But even that's backwards. Forward to upshift, back to downshift. Fun. Cool. All right, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video. I'll walk you around this real quick, and that'll be a wrap. Fun car.